Nick, what a superb work holding solution we have here at Parker Hannifin in Sheffield. Now, can you tell us a little bit about this work holding solution?
Yeah, I mean, we worked with Parker and the machine tool builder to provide a complete quick change work holding solution. The parts are many and varied, different shapes of valve bodies, some hexagons, some round, different materials, and they wanted to be able to swap over from work holding Collet Chuck to 3-jaw chuck very quickly to improve the process, which obviously means parts price per part is slower and things like that. And we provided a complete quick change solution from 3-jaw to Collet Chuck, which can be changed over in a couple of minutes, whatever they need.
Now, they have 4 jaw modules as well as the Collet Chucks that are on the machines permanently. Can you tell us why this is?
Yeah, I mean, it came as a bit of a surprise to us, to be honest, that you would have 2 chucks with 2 spindles and want 4 3-jaw modules to go with that. So we did actually query that at one stage, but it's really all about saving money and saving time. So it means they can set up a 3-jaw chuck off the machine for a particular part, even on both spindles, ready to go straight on. And then it's just a question of a collet coming out and a 3-jaw chuck going on, which takes about 2 minutes to swap over parts.
Now, it's a fully automated cell, and setup is a big feature of this cell. Can you give us an indication on the kind of setup time reductions that they are achieving?
Yeah, I mean, changing over from collet to collet at the moment literally is a few seconds. It probably takes longer to clean down the Collet Chuck with a bit of swarf first than it does to actually change the collet. So a few seconds to change a collet. Changing over to the jaw module from a collet takes a couple of minutes. Taking a jaw module off is literally just a question of undoing 3 bolts and bolting another jaw module with another setup straight onto the existing Collet Chuck. There's no need to start and accurately position the 3-jaw chuck because it follows the accuracy of the Collet Chuck. There's a 0-point system already on the 3-jaw, so it just follows that. So accuracy is within a few microns.
So the reason behind this system is flexibility, isn't it, Nick? They're doing a lot of low volume but high mix components.
Absolutely, it allows you to change over very short batches of parts very, very quickly. Whereas ordinarily you would think very long and hard about it because it takes such a long time to change over parts. Here you can do 4 or 5 parts and change over quickly in a couple of minutes and be doing a completely different part, different material, everything from scratch. And
it's nice to see low volume, high mix components being automated in this way.
Absolutely, and the robot obviously helps that. They could even go a further step here and change over the collets with the robot if they needed to. And they've done a very good job so far, to be honest, for integrating the machine tool, the work holding, the robot and everything into one very fully automated cell.
Now, some of the parts require tight tolerances and good surface finishes. What's the kind of accuracy like that you can expect?
Well, changeover from collets, we guarantee better than 10 microns. We've just actually launched a new version of this chuck where we guarantee better than 5 microns. Changing over to the 3-jaw chuck, we usually say you're probably going to get better than 20 microns. It depends on how the jaws are machined and things like that. But the 0-point system allows you to change over accurately without reboring jaws. So all in all, it's a very flexible modular work holding system.
And if they're doing, you mentioned they're doing lots of different materials. If they're doing them harder materials, which they do, and they're looking to hit them hard, what kind of clamping forces can they look to achieve? And what kind of vibration dampening qualities does the Hainbuch work holding solutions offer?
I mean, the Collet Chuck itself will achieve well over 100 kilonewtons of actual clamping force. So the pushback and things like that are really just eliminated completely. There is no, as long as the chuck is kept greased and clean, there is no reason it won't do very, very hard materials with no impregnation and not have any pushback at all.
So all in all, Nick, it's safe to say that they've got ultimate flexibility and they're increasing their efficiency and productivity as a direct result of your system.
Yeah, certainly it's a big part of what they're doing. It allows them to bring parts back into house and make more money on them, which is really what it's all about.